You can see perfect carbon fiber. What is up everyone, Kyle here, back with another video. So I wanted to make this video with the car fully undone, unveiling everything. But like everything on this car, nothing just quite worked out. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys some sneak peeks here. I'm going to show you guys the new APR wing and then the new diffuser. I'll show you guys the wheels. They're not on the car. Obviously, they'll just be pictures of some of the things. The wing, I'll show it like an unboxing video of that. But the diffuser and the wheels will just be pictures because I didn't have any videos of them on the car. Was hoping to actually get a video of the car here, unveiling everything by now, but things just aren't quite working out. Reason being, you buy things, label it specific for the GT500, but they're not. So if FYI for you guys out there, if it says will fit GT350 and GT500, double check on what parts you're getting because they are not the same. Like the cards do not fit. Probably the biggest thing would be this new rear diffuser that we have. It says it will fit, says specifically made for the GT500 and GT350, but there's two different product pages. Went to the GT500 product page, told them to send me that one, and it doesn't fit. Fits perfectly for a 350, will not fit for the 500. We basically had to make all the mounting brackets. Nothing really lined up. We had to make things fit, so it took forever. The wing said it should fit. The mounting plates that go on the deck lid didn't work with the contours of the deck lid, so we're making our own to get the wing to fit. So nothing on this car has just been straight bolt on. Everything has been needing us to make it work, and that has just pushed things back. And honestly, getting a little annoying, but you guys have waited long enough, so I'm gonna unveil some parts exclusively for you guys. And then hopefully within this next week, maybe even two, hopefully not two, hopefully this next week, we'll get the car actually here for you and let y'all see it. So here we go. Okay guys, I wasn't gonna do an unboxing video simply because I wanted to open it and take a look at it. But this wing, I'm gonna post this video after you guys see the unveiling, so that's why. This wing is by far the best packing I've ever seen out of any company. APR Performance, that GTC 300, really big wing. You can see just how big it is. You can see perfect carbon fiber. Look at that weave pattern. Huge, massive wing. A little different than the carbon fiber track pack wing, but very similar. As you can see, it got two different like airfoils. So it kind of looks a little different, so it's not just straight across like the carbon fiber track pack wing. But yeah, super nice packing. It came all wrapped. Everything came bubble wrapped, like super bubble wrapped. The winglets came in this and then wrapped with bubble wrap. Got this nice little package here. Instructions, just information and stuff. Like just super well taken care of when it comes to wrapping. I've never seen anything quite this nice. Really excited. No scratches on it. Everything. Excited to get it together. The bases that you attach to the car came wrapped, and then that came in this. So there's absolutely attention to detail on it. It's been huge. Didn't take too long to actually get it. About a month with everything that's going on. Not terrible. APR Performance. Huge winglets. It did not come together. Basically, I took it out of the box. I've been looking at the wing, and then you just put the airfoils on these two screws here. These do not adjust. All the adjustment will come these points right here. We got this, which slides, and this, and then on the stands, you can see adjustment points there, and this main point. So the main point is in the back, and then all the adjustment happens at the front. You can see it there, And that's where all the adjustment happens with the wing. So it is a little big, a little bulky. I'll show you guys more on how it looks actually on the car. I just wanted to make a little video. You can see there sitting across the chair, 61-inch span. They make a bigger one. They make a 67 and a 71. Which just been too big. 61 is perfect, about the same size as its carbon fiber track pack wing. So it's not gonna stick out 3 inches on either side of the car, and the 71 will stick out even farther than that. Didn't want it sticking out. So for reference, so the carbon fiber track pack wing is roughly to here. So it looks pretty good with the lines of the car. 67 inches would have stuck out to here. So it would have been even with the fender, but still would have went past the trunk. 71 would have went here past the fender. Obviously, that's just representation on a Mustang. Allison's Daily, the S197. Obviously, S550s are different. Just wanted to show that and how it looked. But yeah, so like everything came super nice, super great packing. You can see like me tearing through everything. Everything still looks great. Tape, everything, like attention to detail was fantastic. Bach is labeled fragile on all ends, stapled. Can't get much better than that. Can't wait to get this thing on. See, pretty big. These are removable, so obviously we can change them if we want. Might paint them, the car. And then there's a gurney flap here that goes all the way across too that I could use. Not sure if I'm gonna use that yet, but. So yeah, we're gonna get on the car, explain it more with actually it mounted, the adjustment and everything, because I really wanna go through how this wing works, why I picked this wing, its adjustability, all that stuff, and what each angle represents with downforce, drag, things like that. I did post a picture of kind of the downforce drag limits on my Instagram. This is the wing that I was referring to. Super glad to actually get it on the car, show those adjustments and everything.